Since it was a short stay, I didn't get a longer plan, and the usage wasn't much. I ordered it, received it, and had it installed right away. After getting off the plane, I just needed to modify it a bit to connect to the internet, which was very convenient. eSIM installation is as simple as scanning a QR code. So convenient. Enjoy seamless 4G internet in Saipan with a daily or total eSIM plan that supports quick installation and broad device compatibility. Activate your eSIM instantly by scanning a QR code, eliminating the need for a physical SIM card and ensuring fast access to local Docomo Pacific coverage. One-click installation is available for iOS devices with the latest app and iOS 17.4 or above. The eSIM supports both iOS and mini Android phones, though Samsung compatibility must be checked in advance. After daily data is used up, speed drops to 128 kilobits per second and resets 24 hours after activation. Total plans disconnect when the limit is reached. iPhones from mainland China do not support eSIM, and only select models in Hong Kong and Macau are compatible.